Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn download all photos from Google Photos in one click. To do that, open your Google Photos. And in here, tap your profile at the upper right corner. And then, tap Google account. Now, in here, tap the Data and Privacy tab. Scroll down until you see Apps and Services. Then tap Content Saved from Google Services. Now, on the Google dashboard, you can see that there are options including download your data. You can download a copy of your data to save locally or use with another account. So tap on it. Then in here, you can see now that Google account will now download your file. So to download your file at once, you can tap the download button here. Then download your data. So that's how to download all photos from Google Photos in one click. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching.